presenting a pre-owned 2016 Audi A3 1.8T Premium Plus. 2016 Audi A3 1.8T Premium Plus, luxury, efficiency, and performance in one sleek package. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a six-speed double-clutch transmission. This Audi has less than 101,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Behold the 2016 Audi A3 1.8T Premium Plus, a true modern chariot. Powered by a 1.8L turbo i4 with 170 horsepower and 200 left of torque, it's perfect for zipping through traffic like a boss. Dressed in Mythos Black Metallic that gleams like a starry night, and wrapped in black leather so smooth you'll want to hug the seats, this ride blends style with luxury. But it's not just looks. This Audi is a fuel-sipping genius, offering 23 mpg city and 33 highway, giving you efficiency without compromise. In excellent condition and backed by a clean Carfax, it's as drama-free as they come. Sharp, sporty, and reliable, this A3 is ready to turn heads wherever it goes. Don't settle for boring. Snag this Audi A3 and enjoy the perfect mix of performance, luxury, and efficiency every time you hit the road. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.